Hi, I'm Kyndra, and this is my kitchen. Today we are making one of my all-time favorite desserts, and that's saying something because I'm somewhat of a self-proclaimed dessert queen. This dessert is equally as beautiful as it is delicious. A fruit tart. This recipe is super easy to whip up, and you can actually bake the crust ahead of time, which is a great time saver. So to begin, we have to actually make and bake the crust. So to make our crust, we are going to combine powdered sugar, flour, and butter in a food processor and pulse it until it forms a ball. This dough is super easy. You just want to make sure that the butter is very cold when adding it for two reasons. One, you want the dough to be firm enough to press into the pan and not get sticky and soft. But secondly, cold butter creates air pockets in the dough while baking. And this will leave you with a really buttery, flaky crust, which we all love. I'm using an 11-inch tart pan, but this dough will actually work for a 10, 11, or 12-inch tart pan. And once you've got the dough packed into your tart pan, you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 15-ish minutes until the crust becomes a light golden brown. And while the crust is baking, you can get started on the cream cheese filling, which we all know is the best part of this whole thing. This is a super simple filling. All it is cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract. The great thing about this filling is that it goes with so many different kinds of fruit. I just have some of my favorites here, but you can really use whatever you have or whatever is in season. And now that our fruit tart has come out of the oven and cooled, you can begin assembling it. And this is the fun part because you can really do whatever your heart desires. And there really is no rhyme or reason to this. I just take the fruit that I have and arrange it in a beautiful and delicious way. And once you've arranged the fruit exactly how you want it, I like to brush my fruit tart with a glaze because it gives it a really pretty shiny finish, and the recipe for the glaze that I use will be linked with the recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed learning how to make my fruit tart, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never ever miss another Kyndra's Kitchen. And as always, the recipe for my fruit tart will be linked in the description box below. And make sure you're following me on Instagram to keep up with my daily yummy food posts.